Hey guys, welcome to the Wave Crypto Club. Now, I started this with the intention of helping a lot of people invest smartly into cryptos. Right? What's the history behind this? Well, I've been investing since about 2015, and over the years, I helped a lot of people invest into cryptos. And last year, when I saw two interesting opposite things happening, right? One is every person I had helped invest over the last 4 5 years, they were averaging more than 10x on their portfolio. And then there were people who had invested on their own, right, without understanding what is the technology behind this, what is the valuation, what is, where will this particular token really go, particular crypto really go, is this a scam or not? People do not know, while it's commonly said do your own research, people did not know how to do their research. People were following media advice, people were looking at some trending Twitter crypto and investing into it, but that became like a huge loss for them. This is where I decided to help more people invest smartly into cryptos, and that's how the Wave Crypto Club was born. And as part of the Wave Crypto Club, we created a website, wave33.club. You can go there, check out amazing portfolios that I have created based on different themes, based on different sectors, based on whether you're a beginner or a long-term investor, and so on. That's one way you can really get started on cryptos without having to go and invest into wrong tokens. These are well-researched baskets that you can go and invest into. From there, we also launched the Wave YouTube channel, and that's been getting some amazing response of late, right? And in addition to that, I started teaching this year, right? Teaching beginners how to learn about cryptos, how to research about cryptos, how to invest into cryptos. And in the last 3 4 months, I have taught more than 2,000 students. My students have ranged from all kinds of age groups. The youngest was 15 years old, and the oldest was 75 years old. Right? People who could not even speak or who could not even understand English, they were part of my classes. And having gone through all of these students, right, having gone through over 2,000 students, I realized that people need help. People need to understand how to invest into cryptos. And as a next step, as an evolution of the Wave Crypto Club, I decided to create something called the Wave Surf Club. Right. So what's the Wave Surf Club? The Wave Surf Club is an exclusive community. You can join it for as little as $3 a month. Right? That is the price of a Starbucks coffee. Right? For the price of a Starbucks coffee, you are getting access to an exclusive crypto Telegram channel and Discord, and a Discord link that will give you recommendations on the next 100 cryptos. Right? We give you monthly recommendations. In addition to that, you will get exclusive access to content, which is more than 8 hours worth of content on a guide to investing in cryptos. This is completely for beginners, right? If you have never invested in cryptos, you have no idea what's happening in the crypto market, or if you have invested but you had no idea but you were just investing randomly, then this course is just for you. There is more than 8 hours of content, exclusive content that you can watch by being a part of this group. In addition to this, I will give you a free 30-minute one-on-one crypto portfolio planning session with me. We can decide on a mutual time and figure that out. 30 minutes to help you fine tune your portfolio and take it to the next level. And you'll also be part of a community of like-minded individuals investing into cryptos. So that's all that we have to offer in the Wave Surf Club. This is an exclusive community which I'm planning on building. The $3 a month is a limited time fee. This is going to maybe increase over a period of time. I have not decided on how much to take it to yet, but I want to keep it to a smaller group of people that I can interact with on a daily, monthly basis, either through chats or either through through one-on-one calls, or maybe a group call as well. But this community is something that I'm planning on building, who can work with me, and we can all invest together as the crypto market really grows big in the coming years. So as an introductory price, this is going to be $3 a month. If you're interested, go down to the Patreon link that is given in the description. You can go there and click on it. It's probably flashing on your screen as well. You can click on that link as well. You can join it for $3 a month. And believe me, this is going to be the best investment that you've ever made. For as little as as a price of a Starbucks coffee, your wealth can seriously multiply by investing into the right cryptos, which I am researching on a day-to-day basis. Welcome to the Wave Crypto Club, and I hope to welcome you to the Wave Surf Club as well.